Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Well, this is a programming task in Python for this week, which is the week 3 of this task. Let me read the question. In this task, we have to sort two dictionaries to produce a new dictionary. The two dictionaries we are going to sort is like it's not actually sorting, but I don't know. You figure it out. You figure it out. You use two dictionaries to produce a new dictionary. We have the dictionary vocab with the item and values, the key and values. We have the dictionary IDF. So when you use these two dictionaries, you produce a new dictionary called new vocab. That's all. That's all. We've learned about dictionary. Let me give you a hint. We've learned about dictionary, and it's actually sorting. I wanted to hide this initially, but you're just gonna use sort. You sort the dictionary to get your new dictionary. So please, when you are done, you just kindly have to submit your answer as a comment either on the blog or on the YouTube. Don't submit your answers, please, to our WhatsApp. Don't submit it to WhatsApp. Don't submit it to any other channel or media site. Submit it just on our blog, on our YouTube or the YouTube. Then, congrats, very big congratulations to Mr. Elvis that won last tax. We say thank you for using this corona period, this COVID-19 period, to at least win something for yourself. You've done a good job. You've done a good job. Please, for all those that will be contesting for this prize or just feel like doing the exercise, after commenting, dropping your answer as a comment, you please post, you please like this post or like this video, like the post on our blog and any other four, then three videos on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our blog and to our YouTube channel. Then share our blog and YouTube channel to three media sites with the hashtag and plus. If you've done this, or when you do all this, you'll be qualified for our prize. Please, once again, thank you for viewing. Thank you for showing interest in this Python tax. Have a nice day.